Hello my dear students, welcome back to online class. Today I am going to give you some extra questions answers from the chapter 10 Respiration in Organisms. And students, you are requested to see the e-portal. I have given some assignments and homework. Okay, now e-portal is working. Okay, please check your e-portal. Okay, now let's begin with some extra questions. What are the end products of aerobic respiration? Can you remember what are the end products of aerobic respiration? During aerobic respiration, carbon dioxide and water are released along with a large amount of energy. So what are being released? These are the end products such as carbon dioxide and water. As glucose is broken down, okay, in presence of oxygen, and carbon dioxide, water along with large amount of energy is being released. Okay. Next question. The cellular respiration process takes place in which of the cell organelle? In which cell organelle? Means we have seen from the introductory part of this chapter. From that, I have shown you that there are many organelles in the cell. Among them, which organelle is the main responsible for cellular respiration? That is the mitochondria. Cellular respiration takes place in mitochondria of the cell. You can see the video again how mitochondria looks like. Okay, you can see the previous video of introductory class of this chapter, Respiration in Organisms. And next, 3 number question, name the end products of anaerobic respiration in yeast. As you know, in yeast bacteria, anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. So the end products formed during the anaerobic respiration in yeast are ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. So these are the main products: ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxides and energy. Okay. In some animals, exchange of gases takes place through its thin and moist skin. Name such animal. I know you can answer this. This is arthworm, is an animal where exchange of gases during breathing or respiration takes place through the skin, as its skin is very slimy and moist. Okay. Next, give the name of respiratory organs in the following animals. In fish, what is the respiratory organ? Respiratory organ is gills in fish, and in human being that is lungs or pulmonary respiration. Okay. Next, our nostril has hair and mucus. What is the need to have them in our nasal cavity? As our nostril process hairs are mucus lining, this helps in preventing dirt, dust, germs from entering our respiratory system. So that's why when these foreign particles that are harmful for our body, those dust, germs, okay, so when that enters through our nostril, then we suddenly sneeze out. Okay. Next question. Sometimes we see that farmers loosen the soil. What is the reason behind it? The farmers sometimes loosen the soil. This helps the root to respire through the air present in the space between soil particles. As I have shown you a picture that if a plant is overwatered, then what happens? A plant is died. As what is the main reason? As the intersoil particle space that is being actually clogged by the water. That's why the root cannot respire through the air present in that space between the soil particles. Okay, so that is why the farmers sometimes loosen the soil. This helps the roots to respire through the airs present in the space between the soil particles. Okay, next question. Various organs constitute the respiratory system of human. These organs are located according to their function. Identify them. Various organs in the respiratory system of humans are nostrils, nasal passage, nasal cavity, windpipe and lungs. And this is your assignment that I have given in your e-portal. Draw a picture of respiratory system of human with different organs present there. Okay. Next, the vocal ability of human is responsibility of an organ commonly known as voice box. What is its scientific name? Actually, this organ is that is responsible for speech is known as larynx or voice box. It is lies between pharynx and trachea. When you will draw this diagram, then you can easily find out. Next question. What changes are observed in diaphragm during inhalation? During the process of inhalation, diaphragm contracts and moves downwards. That I have already shown you through a figure, the mechanism of breathing. Okay, you can see the previous slide or previous video from this chapter. Okay, next, when we exhale or breathe out, the percentage of certain gas is high. Name the gas. During exhalation or breathing out, the gas that is carbon dioxide that is high in percentage or amount. When we exhale or breathe out, not only carbon dioxide, we also exhale some O2, water vapor. I have shown you through a table, na? But here carbon dioxide, the percentage of carbon dioxide is more during exhalation. Okay. In this experiment, 12 number question, please see. In this experiment, where we exhale into lime water containing glass, what changes were observed by you? Just do it in your home. At your home, you can do it. That when we exhale into lime water, its color changes into slightly milky white because exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Okay. Next, insects have a special organ present to carry out respiration. What is that organ called? Insects have some special organ that is for respiration, that is known as spiracles. That I have already shown you through a figure. Next question, name the respiratory organs in frogs. That is, frogs respire through their moist skin as well as through pair of lungs. And when they respire through moist skin, their respiration is known as cutaneous respiration, and when they respire through a pair of lungs in terrestrial habitat, that is known as pulmonary respiration. In the moist skin, they use or they respire through moist skin when they are in water, aquatic habitat. Okay. And next question, certain small pores are present on the surface of plant through which gaseous exchange occurs. Identify these pores. What are those? These are actually stomata. These are tiny pores that are present on the surface of plant through which gaseous exchange takes place. Okay, I hope you understood this. Next day I will give some more extra question from this topic, and you are requested to do all the assignments and homeworks that I have given in e-portal and show me immediately in e-portal. I will check it out. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.